Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. This is the 5.9, and I'm going to be showing you something very basic, removing and reinstalling a PCV valve. It's going to be super easy. I can do it, and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so we're underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and take this, give it a little wiggle, and just move this out of the way. And that's specifically for video purposes. You do not need to take this tube out of the way to get to your PCV valve. I did it just so you can see what's going on. We'll get these wires out of the way. Those need some loom. We'll definitely have to get some loom on those. Anyway, that's a project for another day. We'll take a nice rag. We're going to clean up around the PCV valve as good as we can. Just come around, just like this. Now we're just going to grab the whole hose and the PCV valve, lift it up out of the grommet. Take this, slide it out, and this right here is your PCV valve. Okay, so we've got our PCV valve. We'll just clean off the area around where the PCV valve is going to go in to this hole right here. If you want to use a little bit of lubricant, you can go around there. You're just going to take it, bring it over, press it in, just like that. Give it a nice little twist, feels good. Take your hose, reinstall that on there. Slide this stuff out of the way. We'll get our tools out of the way, and down the road we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.